Welcome back to Seku Eastward Indigenous Delish. Today I'm going to show you how I make this snack. This is a very popular local snack in Igbo land. Some people call it Mpataka. You can call it Akpu, Mmiri, Akpu, or even Abacha. Okay, and you can enjoy this snack with coconut. You can enjoy it with palm kernel or even peanuts, groundnuts. The preparation of this does not really need anything. It doesn't require anything. I'm just going to, cut it and boil it. I am going to cut the cassava. Some people also like to cook this before they peel it, but I'm going to do my peeling before cooking. Depends on what you want, however you want to cook it. Oops. So now get this. Okay, I'm going to cut the last one. If you grow up in the village, you will know that the village people don't play with this. Ishi school lota. Ika go di wale nka. Marriage will go down. Tupu negi chan. This is I'm going to do it. Take off this. In the village, when you are making gari, preparing your gari from cassava, you want to reserve some of this so that you can use it for this snack. This is a healthy snack. At least you're not afraid of anything oil, you're not cooking it with any condiment, you just boil it and soak it, and that's it. If you also grew up in the village, you will understand this process I'm going through right now. Ibachara akpu n'ụlọ, otu aka eji abachi ya, otu aka eji edesa aka akpa ya. And if you didn't grow up in the village, please learn. This is a learning opportunity for you. I'll keep doing this until the last one. You can produce a lot of food with cassava. Make what I'm making right now. You can make the abacha, the flakes. You can also make gari out of this. and cassava fufu, which we call Akpu, Akpu, loi loi. Have you eaten loi loi before? Can you imagine how smooth that thing is? The way it gets down your throat so smoothly. Okay, here you go. This is my last. I'm actually going to use this. Right. Okay, here's what I got. So now I'm going to wash before I start cooking, okay? You got a size. It's a perfect size. You wash the cyanide. Some of the cyanide will be going out. See the whitish color in the water? I will start cooking it right now. Such an amazing that share. I'm making there. So now I'm going to start introducing the cassava pieces inside my pot. Add water to it. So I have water up to this level so that the water will cover the entire cassava. And I will let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So it depends on the size of your cassava. If you have big chunks, you're gonna allow it to cook for 20 minutes at least. But now 15 to 18, there about 20 minutes. Let's check on it. It's been boiling. So apart from looking at your time, you also want to poke to make sure that it is tender enough. You don't want to overcook it. If you do, you're just going to have your Mpataka mushi, which is not very good. Yeah, so this smells good. One other sign is that when it starts getting cooked, you look at it this way, it starts breaking into two. So look at that. Now this is ready. So I'm going to take these out, put them in my sieve. Remember not to overcook it. Observe the change of color. So when you're cooking it, you just notice the change in the color. Awesome. So next I'm going to cut this, slice it into the shapes. Okay, now I want to start slicing this. So the best way to do it is cut it into two, and you can take out this, or you can do that while you're slicing. So I'm going to do this inside my bowl. Look at how it goes. This is perfect. It's not overcooked and it's not half done. So it's perfectly cooked. Look at my size. You can cut it any shape and size you want, but this I think is a perfect size. So I'll continue to cut or slice. I'll continue to slice it this way. This is actually fun. Just want to keep your hands straight when you're doing this. Look at my size. I keep cutting, slicing them into this shape and size, and I'm going to be very consistent in my size and the shape. So one thing you want to do when you're slicing this is to make sure that you have water beside you. Dip your hands in a bowl of water, so that way this wouldn't be sticky anymore. Because if you keep doing it without water, it will be sticky. You stick to your hand. So almost done. Have two more pieces to do. Okay, it's all done. Look at how it looks. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to soak this. I'm going to soak it back into my pot. I'm going to put it in the pot and soak it. This is going to stay in the water for So I'm going to soak this overnight. I'll soak this and wash it the next day. Okay. You want to make sure that you have the water over it. Okay. I'm soaking this right now at 7:07. I'm going to wash it by tomorrow around 7 o'clock. So there are about 2 12 hours. You can do it for more than 12 hours, but this is going to sleep here, stay here overnight. And I'll just cover it. So this is how simple this recipe can be. It doesn't require any ingredients. All you need to do is to boil your cassava and then slice it into these pieces and just cover it. Let it soak. This is gonna sit here till tomorrow. Okay, this is 12 to 13 hours later. Let's see, look at what it looks like. Looks like, they just got fermented. Right, if you look at the foam, this shows that some starch has gone out of the cassava. Right, I'm going to take this water out and start washing. Okay, so I'm going to take out this water, wash it like 3 to 4 times. I'm not just gonna squeeze it, I'll just be washing this way to avoid breaking it into pieces. Okay, I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and also wash it from there. I'll continue washing it. Until my water is very clear. I'll keep washing this until my water is very clear. That will tell me that it is clean. Again, I'll transfer to another bowl to take out the water. I'll give it an additional wash. Just gonna give it an additional wash to see if this will be clean enough. this is almost clean. Still draining the water, and so this is the last time I'm going to wash it, and this snack will be ready for me to enjoy. See how clean my water looks? So this strainer is going to drain the water, the remaining part of the water. Look at how it looks like. Look at this, and look at how you eat it. Here is the Akpu Mmiri, Mpataka, or Ebereba Akpu. This is ready, and you know what? I'm going to enjoy it with this coconut. So I'll just go ahead and break my coconut and show you how it looks. Right, this is it. Very nice. Look at how it looks like. Tastes good. Very natural. Alright. Look at this. The coconut. So here is how I'm going to enjoy it with the coconut. So yummy. So I take a bite of this. This is yummy. I also have my coconut water. I'm going to drink this. Mmiri Igbo na dị mma n'arụ. So I also drink this. So let me show you how you can preserve this. You might want to put this in the fridge if you're not going to have all of them at once, which I'm sure you're not going to do so. Yeah, so I have water above the level of the Akpu Mmiri. That way it will be preserved. So I can have this for as long as 1 week or even more. So every morning, make sure to take out this water, add a new one. So you're going to be topping water to this, okay? You remove the old one and then put the new water. And for additional flavor, you might just want to add salt to it. This is completely optional. Some might want to have some salt in it, just with the water, and it is soaking. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you love the way I made this snack. Please go ahead and like it and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe.